Yo, what is up guys? Nick Nakai here, Let's Drift Media. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. If you're first time here, please hit that subscribe button. Anyways, today we're gonna go back on Bill Davis's Matco truck. Looks like he just got here and he's got a couple new toolboxes on the truck, so I'm gonna go take a little gander on there and show you guys what's up with those. Right here, back on the truck, guys. You guys remember from the last video?
Got my face.
Angel, we got Alex, we got Johnny, we got Bill. Trucking Bill.
How's it going?
Damn, I got the knee right.
There's the box behind here. We'll wait a little bit and we'll get some shots of this for you guys. Alex, what are you on the truck for today?
Dude, I don't know. I'm trying to find something to buy. What do I want to buy? What do I need? What does Nick need?
I think we need a long 1/4" ratchet.
Yeah, for real. Long 1/4" ratchet, the one I have?
Adrian, what are you here on the truck for today?
Just looking around.
Just looking?
Trying to enter that giveaway.
Oh, window shopping, huh?
Yeah.
Not buying nothing.
Johnny, what about you?
I'm here for the odds and ends. Whatever Bill's gonna sell me, that's what I'm here for. This is a great salesman.
150 or 180 for mine?
160, 165.
Oh, pretty cool stool. Very cushy. Also flips up into a little step stool. I think Johnny's about to buy one right now.
Bye,
Boys
Johnny.
thinking about it.
Bye, Johnny.
How often are you going to use it though?
He sits all day.
Alright, I'm leaving.
Alright, so right here we got the Matco 3-Bay 4S toolbox. And Bill's got it right here in blue, coming with the top hutch too. Always wanted one of these. Maybe one day I'll get one for my box. Not too sure. Yeah, let's check it out. So we got the key right here.
Key open, it's just on stiff setting.
Yeah.
So right now it's just kind of a cluster. I'm in the process of organizing it to make it look pretty.
Alright.
But we do have some attachments that do come with this box.
The
So the
pegboard?
tool grid does come with this particular box on this truck only. It actually is an amazing thing. Once I get it organized, hopefully you'll see it in a future video if I can talk Nick into it. Other items that are not necessarily a normal thing are these guys here. So instead of standing them vertically where it would hit, you can go horizontal. And those magnets are extremely strong. My truck bounces all over the place and these guys do not fall off, but they're easy enough to pull on and off as you're working.
Also on the Matco ones, you could adjust the tension, right?
Yep, you got it. So that's when some guys will come up here and they'll try pulling that and they think it's locked. But the tension is right here on the knob. You can change it to how easy it is to open. I put it on the stiffest setting, so if I forget to lock it, it doesn't come flying open as I'm driving down the highway.
Yeah. This one comes with a power bank, I see, 2 USB ports. Gets on the left side.
And you do have a power drawer down here as well.
Oh, okay.
So you got more USB, and then you got the 110 outlets right here as well.
Alright.
As you can see, space is limited on a tool truck, so we kind of use a little bit of the drawers to store things as well.
How deep are the drawers?
I believe they're 22.5 inches, if I'm not mistaken, from beginning to end.
And you said the gauge of the steel is what? Because this feels a lot thicker metal than my Snap-on box.
Yeah, it's 1 gauge thicker than Snap-on, Mac, and Cornwell, and I can get the specs here in just a minute, but it is a thicker metal that we use, and we actually weld our T right here is welded on both the front and the back. So this horizontal bar that goes across and the bar that goes vertical is actually welded all around, where the Snap-on and Cornwell do not weld theirs all around. So that gives the box more rigidity, and actually gives the drawers a little bit more rigidity too, because nothing is going to be moving in there. There's yeah, it just gives the box an entirely new dimension to having those extra welds on it.
That's got the steel top, or?
No, this one does not have the steel top. This does just have a polymer plastic. This is just a protective.
Okay,
it's a stainless steel.
What's going on with that?
So right there, that's just the wrap that comes with, so the stainless steel doesn't get scratched.
Oh, okay.
And then that stainless steel is on a magnet that will protect the clear coat of the box. So you can always take that off if you want. You don't have to use it, but I keep it on there obviously to keep it protected, keep things from getting scratched up.
And then I see on the top hutch comes with its own power supply as well, some USB ports. That's only on one side, correct?
That is correct.
And it comes with a light too?
It does come with the light. It is an LED, and it is on, as you can see.
Yeah, I've noticed the light's on a sensor. That's kind of cool.
Yep,
When
so you pull it out, it does turn off. So when you push it back in, it's just automatically recognized. So when you leave for the night, you can close it up, light turns off automatically. When you open up the next morning, it turns on for you.
That is a cool little feature. A good amount of support underneath the big drawer. Those really help with the stability when putting a lot of weight in these. Pretty nice box. Bill, you got it on sale right now for $8,800.
$8,798.
MSRP at $10K.
Yes, sir.
That's a pretty good deal. Always wanted a box with a hutch. One day. The only thing I don't like about my box is it's a lot shorter. So if I do get the hutch, I'm probably gonna be hitting my head on it. That's one reason I haven't got a hutch. Any other cool features about this box, Bill?
You can always add to it. So if you start off with just the bottom part, you can always add the hutch. If you outgrow the hutch, you can add a locker to the top. If you outgrow the locker, you can add lockers to the sides, left and right. And if you even outgrow that, you can actually get another drawer that goes right here.
Oh, okay.
So you get another drawer here. You can put the hutch on top of that, which would take your hutch up another 6 inches or so. And then obviously you can get side lockers on both sides. Instead of a hutch, you could also get a cabinet. So if you needed more drawers, so it's a great box to expand with because you could go not only left and right, but you can also go up as well.
Definitely plenty of storage. What's like retail on like a on a Snap-on setup like this?
Probably around 14.
14?
If I had to imagine, 12 to 14. Yeah, that's what I have to imagine. They have the same story as Matco. They have different trim levels, so the higher the trim level, the more expensive you're going to be paying.
Yeah. All right. And also we got over here the 4S, but this is the 2-bay version of that, so just one less extra bay. This one's a pretty unique color though. Really caught my eye when I walked on the truck. We got the same power ports. Pretty much same box, just one less bay. Oh, just found a tool right here. Another thing that comes in really nice when working on the line is these hooks. Again, brand is up to you, but these hooks are really nice. Say you're doing a brake job, hang the brake caliper up, hang it on the spring while you're doing that brake job. I really like these. I actually have a set of those in my box. So that's pretty much it. Just kind of wanted to show you guys the Matco 4S 3-bay. It's a very nice box. Really just feels really durable. I mean, it should be for that price, so let me know if you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment any other tools you would like to see featured from me and Bill here at on the Matco truck. So that's it for this week's episode, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. Peace!